Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix missing taskbar icons on Windows 11. First, we will restart Windows Explorer. This resets the taskbar without restarting the whole computer. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. When Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab. Scroll down and find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Wait a few seconds and check if the icons appear back on the taskbar. If the icons are still missing, we will check the taskbar settings. Right-click on the taskbar and choose Taskbar Settings. A new window will open. Scroll down and click on Taskbar Behaviors. Make sure the option called Automatically Hide the Taskbar is turned off. If this option is on, the taskbar may hide icons when it moves. Now look for the setting called Combine Taskbar Buttons and Hide Labels. If it is set to Always, your icons can disappear into a single space. Change the setting to Never so each icon shows one by one. If none of these steps helped, you can try removing the icon cache so Windows rebuilds it. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run box. Type App Data and press Enter. Open the local folder, then find the Microsoft folder. Inside it, open the Windows folder, then the Explorer folder. Look for files named Icon Cache. Delete all the Icon Cache files in this folder. After deleting them, restart your computer so Windows can rebuild the cache. After the restart, check your taskbar again. Your icons should now appear normally. Thanks for watching.